In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to Wix. If you want to show your business location, make it easier for visitors to find you, or simply add a map to your website for convenience. Wix makes the process very quick and beginner-friendly. You do not need any advanced design skills to do this, and the map can be added directly from the built-in elements inside the editor. To get started, open your Wix editor and look toward the top left area of the screen. This is where you'll find the main tools used to add content and features to your site. Click on Add to open the menu. This section contains different website elements that you can place onto your page, such as text, images, buttons, and interactive features. Once the Add menu opens, click on Elements. This will take you into the area where Wix groups together visual components you can insert into your site layout. If you have not used this section before, don't worry, it's designed to be very simple to navigate, and the search feature makes finding specific tools much faster. Now go to the search bar and type in Google Maps. As you search, Wix will show matching elements related to maps. When you see the Google Maps option appear, click on it. As soon as you do, the map will be added to your page. That's it. The Google Maps element is now on your Wix site. After adding it, you can usually click on the map inside the editor to move it into position and fit it neatly within your page design. It's a good idea to place it somewhere that makes sense for visitors, such as a contact page, footer section, or near your business information. Keeping the map aligned with the rest of your layout will help your page look clean and professional. If your goal is to help visitors locate a physical address, make sure the map is easy to spot and not crowded by too many nearby elements. A little spacing around it can improve the overall appearance and make the page easier to scan. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top left, click Add, open Elements, search for Google Maps, and click it to insert the map onto your Wix page. And that's how to add Google Maps to Wix.